Hi my genies, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I part or pre-part my hair to do my feeding braids. I just came right go straight back. So in the beginning of the video you saw me split my hair in half, going from the front to the back, and then I will take each half and split those in halves again from ear to ear, and then I will end up with 4/4 of my hair, and then I will connect the two front quarters to make a half of my hair. You don't have to do that depending on the pattern that you want to braid your hair in when you're ready to braid it. Because I didn't want like a center part and everything just going back, I wanted a little style. Trying something new. So I merged the two front halves so I could accomplish the style that I want. So when I connect the two front halves to make a half, the two front quarters to make a half, sorry, I then make my smaller section. I made 13 smaller sections in the front because I wanted 13 braids. Then what you would do is you will connect the front 13 sections to the back. So wherever your first part ends, then you connect the other half of the back with the braid. Sorry, not with the braid, with the parting. And then when it's time for braid, you just clean up your partings with your edge control. If you don't use edge control, then you use oil. It will work just the same. Guys, I just want to say I love and appreciate the support. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the subscribe. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to your family, to your friends. Tell them to share to their families and to their friends just the same. And just continue watching to the rest of the video to see the finished product of how I pre-part my hair. And I will see you guys in the next. Okay, so now I push over all the extra hair. Then I take that one out, and you see me connecting it to the back half of my hair, and the first one should look something like this. And then I just braid it again so I could connect everything and then get the rest out of my way. I showed you guys how to do 2 of them. I will be doing the rest of them off camera because it's hard to see in the mirror while doing it. So I did the rest off camera, and I'll come and show you guys how it looks. This is the finished look. It's not perfect, but it's something. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.